And guys, good morning. This is Salesforce uh, courses, guys. Now, Samira will give a basic intro about the HICE placements and HICE Academy, and we'll start the section. Okay. And Shravan is a professional trainer where she will be giving you a demo on Salesforce for next 30 minutes. Go ahead, Samira.
Yes, yes. Hi guys, how are you all? Hope all are doing good in this pandemic situation as well. Actually, we are all from highest placements. We are providing the placements and as well as the jobs for the, academy training for the students who are waiting for to going to the jobs. Okay. And coming to our CEO, Manish sir is our CEO and the professional trainer Shravani ma'am for Salesforce. Okay. For the next half an hour, she will take the class. Hope all clear, guys.
So we have in it two trainers, two demo sections for the Salesforce. For the first 30 minutes, one trainer will be giving us demo, and for next 30 minutes, the another trainer will be giving you the demo, guys. So just wait for the 1 hour.
Up to 12,
Chalo,
all Salesforce classes will going, okay? Just wait up to 12. Yeah,
go ahead,
Shravani ma'am.
Yeah.
Start the session, ma'am.
Yes, Samir. Thank you. Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. Hope everyone is doing good. I think everyone completed BTech, right? So you all are entering into software. So mainly software people can remember only 2 points: we can do and we should do. Why I am saying these 2 points? Okay. Sorry, Samira, can you mute?
Yes, yes. I can take it. I can take it. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
okay. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Because why I'm saying these 2 points means confidence is most important thing in software. Okay, because we all are freshers. That's why I'm saying these 2 points. Okay. So coming to Salesforce, why we are learning Salesforce? Because in nowadays in market, we have available so many courses, right? Like Power BI, AWS, DevOps, Java, like that. But why we are learning only Salesforce? Anyone has any idea about Salesforce? Okay, fine, no problem. And one more thing, guys, one point you should remember, don't hesitate to ask any questions and give reply. Okay, this is not a classroom. No one will point out you. And total, we have almost 50 to 60 members, people we have. So we can't remember every person name and every person's face. In case you have any doubt, please ping me in chat personally or group. That's not an issue. Okay. So what is Salesforce? Salesforce is nothing but cloud computing. Means in cloud computing, we are providing some services, including services, storage, database, networking, like that. Means just like what is storage and why we are using Salesforce. So for example, everyone knows Telugu, right? So one point I will explain in Telugu. Might be in case anyone can't understand, please let me know. ఓకే, మీరు నార్మల్ గా సెమిస్టర్ వైజ్ ఫీజ్ పే చేస్తారు కదా. మీరు ఫీజ్ పే చేసిన తర్వాత వన్స్ మీ రోల్ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వగానే మీ డేటా అంతా వస్తుంది కదా. సో ఈ డేటా అంతా మనం ఒక డేటాబేస్ లో స్టోర్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ సఫియన్ ఓకే ఓకే ఫైన్ ఫైన్ everyone will pay in semester fee, right? So once you will give your hall ticket number, then you will get all the data. So in previous, we data stored in one database. So Salesforce will provide that database. Okay. So basically, Salesforce, we have 4 parts: admin, development, integration, and lightning. In Salesforce, we have different types of cloud servicing: sales cloud, service cloud, community cloud, and marketing cloud. So don't bother about that one. Everything point to point, tomorrow I will explain in class. Okay, today just I will give the demo. What is what in Salesforce. But here one thing, admin and development, but admin has only few jobs because, for example, we take a one team, 7 people as the developers and only 1 people as the admin. So here we have only few jobs available in admin side. Because admin don't know about development, but every developer should know about admin. Okay, let's share my screen. I will show you what is what. Samira, can you give the access to screen share?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I will.
And guys, today agenda of training, without once you completed the session, without others help, everyone get job. Okay, but you can do only one thing: practice and practice. What I am saying every day, you should practice most. Okay, don't worry about how to learn, how to crack the interviews. Okay, don't worry, I will give the motivation also.
Shavni ma'am, now you can share your screen. Once she.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, sorry for the interruption, guys. If you have any doubts, kindly ask ma'am. Okay, don't be bold. If you're silent, ma'am don't know. Either you have to understand or not. Ma'am don't know, right? Just if you have
Yes.
any queries, kindly ask ma'am. You need to unmute yourself and just start. Okay, ask queries.
Otherwise, you can ping in chat also.
Yeah. Either both are good. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Yes. So Salesforce, basically, this is not any software. Okay, we can't able to any install like that. We don't want to any installation. So we have the one URL, developer.salesforce.com. Okay, please note down. Okay, I will ping you in chat. Okay, so that's fine. So once you can log in with salesforce.com, then you can here sign up. Okay, here some required data, first name, last name, email address. Then you will get the one link through email. Okay, then you can register, and means you can set the password and you can log in salesforce.com. Okay, so guys, I'm saying only one thing: Salesforce is very easy topics. Okay, don't bother. Means I don't have any coding knowledge like that. Don't think like that. Okay, coding also we have very simple logics. Okay, only here we are using Apex only. Okay, so I'm already told you Salesforce has 4 parts: admin, development, integration, and lightning. Okay, so admin means in UI level. See, I will show you. So this is the once you are logging into Salesforce, then everyone can able to see this page. Okay, today you will try. Might be, do you have any doubts? Then tomorrow ask me. So this is the UI part. Okay, in UI part, every admin can do easily. But what is the specialty of developer? Okay, once go to this developer console, means here we can write the code. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, so today is the first day. That's why don't get confused. Tomorrow I will explain point to point. So without the admin people can't do everything, but developer people can do everything. Okay, but coming to integration, what is integration means we can get the data from the third party system. For example, okay, in your account you don't have money, but your friend account you have money. So you are sending a request, bro, please send some amount to my account. So you are sending the request to other person, then other person will send the amount to your account. So that's like integration will work. Okay, lightning in a sense, fourth part is lightning. One second, I will explain you in notepad, then easily understand. Everyone can able to see my screen, right? At least give reply in chat na.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, please guys, don't hesitate to ask any questions or anything, okay? I am already told you, right? No one will remember your name or your face. This is not a classroom and I'm not your teacher, but just I'm trainee, okay? Lightning. Coming to admin. UI level. Okay, what is UI level means? I'm already show you, right? This is the UI level. Okay, in UI level, where is the notepad? Yeah. In UI level, admin can do any work. Coming to development. Admin can't do some critical validations that work developer can do. Okay, coming to third one, integration. We can get the data. Third party system. And fourth one, Lightning. So Lightning in a sense, Salesforce provides some standards, okay, like account objects. We have some objects like that, but we can do customization. Customization through Lightning. Means we can create custom apps. Okay, so any mechanical people is there? Mechanical or degree people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry, I don't know your name, but don't worry about coding. Okay, just I want to say only one thing. Any person, don't worry about coding. Okay, here coding is very, very easy compared to Java, and we can Java once you can learn almost 1 year, it will take time. But in Salesforce, within 3 months, we can easily understand and we can easily learn. Once you completed your course, after that, I'm damnly sure every person will get job, because in nowadays Salesforce, we have a lot of opportunities. Of course, I'm working in one of the MNC. In that MNC also, we have a number of vacancies regarding Salesforce developers. Okay, so in freshers, every day what I am saying, every trainee what we are saying, that one you should every day practice and practice, practice. That is the only one thing. Okay, but don't worry about coding and how to learn, how to work, how to survey in sales software, like that. Don't think much. Okay, so you all are the freshers, not your experienced candidates, right? So freshers means you have the fresh mind.
Hello, ma'am.
Easily understand what we are saying. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Sorry for the interruption. And
Yeah, no.
ma'am, my name is Santosh, ma'am. Actually, I'm from a mechanical background.
Yeah, Santosh.
So without any coding language knowledge and with the zero knowledge, so can we get into this field, ma'am?
Yes, of course, Santosh. You know one thing, I'm also a civil background.
Okay.
So you don't worry about that coding. Okay, here coding, we are only using Apex language. That is very, very friendly user. Okay, so once you are learning that coding, so then you are saying, yes, ma'am, what you are said, that is the correct. Yes, I can easily understand that coding like that.
Oh, okay. But before coming into this, I went for the SAP coaching, ma'am, where for the demo
SAP, right?
session only, SAP.
SAP. Okay.
In that, they said that without coding also you can come into this field, they said, but later on there everything was about coding itself. So that is why the reason, the same way, if the same situation come in this, it will be more effective for us. So that is why the reason I am asking before.
Yeah. Santosh, here one thing. Actually, I'm already told you admin and development, right? In admin,
Oh.
without coding, in single piece of coding also we can do in admin. But development, we are using some coding, that's fine. But coding also a very friendly user. We can easily learn.
Okay.
Basic, we have coding also a basic coding. Okay, don't
Okay.
bother about that. Okay, once
Okay,
you
okay.
have any doubts, na, then definitely I will clarify to you.
That means
Okay,
for
everyone
every each admin development integration lightning, for every each individual you will explain, ma'am.
yeah.
Okay, okay, sure, ma'am.
Admin only we have less parts, means only 5 to 6
Okay.
topics only. But
Okay.
development, integration, developer can do integration and lightning, but admin only can do admin only. So that's why I'm saying admin people have very less job opportunities compared to developer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, in
developer
4
growth is very high. Yes.
okay, in 4GB RAM laptop, can we practice, ma'am?
Yeah, that should be fine.
Okay, okay, sure.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, ma'am.
don't
Thank you.
worry. Any questions? Any other people?
Hello, ma'am.
Speak out. Then only. Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, Salesforce is about what, ma'am? What we are learning in this? It is about what, ma'am? Can you please
Okay.
tell me?
Yeah. Salesforce means this is the cloud. Sorry, your good name, please.
Jaheda Tabassum, ma'am.
Jahida.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Jahida, previously I explained. Okay, no, okay, don't issue. So now I'm explaining. Salesforce, this is the cloud Javeda actually. So in Salesforce, we are providing the storage database like that. Means once you are entering to data, for example, we have an application. Okay. Okay, let's say how to say. Okay, you are going to one MeSeva center and you pay the exam fee for any competition exams, right?
Okay.
So you are enter
Okay.
your name, mother name, father name, like that, whatever the data they want, you enter that one. So after that, once completed, then you have the one application number. Once you enter the application number, the full data will come, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in that data, we are stored in the database. So Salesforce, we are providing the database to users.
Okay.
So every company tie up to Salesforce, then we are entering some data. That data will directly store to database in Salesforce.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is about like a database, ma'am, storing all the details of a person. It
Yes.
acts like a database, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you said that it is a cloud computing, no, ma'am. Actually, I
Yes.
don't know about what is meant by cloud computing. How we are storing the data in the database, ma'am? That is cloud computing. Cloud means we know that. Actually, I know the natural one. What I don't know about it is. So
Okay.
how we are going to store, ma'am, the data in cloud?
Yeah. So means Javeda, here cloud means we are servicing some computer services will deliver it, means including services, storage, database, networking, software, like that. Okay, we are providing, Salesforce will provide these all things. Okay, once you are tie up with the Salesforce, okay, so what our developers will develop one application and we can store the data. This data companies pay the some amount to Salesforce. Okay, that database will store all this data to provide that company.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, understood, Samira?
Yes, ma'am.
Javed.
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank
okay.
you, ma'am.
Actually, here in cloud computing, we have 4 types: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Community Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. Okay. So tomorrow I will explain point to point why we are using what is the purpose of Sales Cloud, why we are using Service Cloud, like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Any other questions? But one thing, guys, only one day, all things we can't remember. So that's why I am explaining only what is the Salesforce, why we are using Salesforce, what is the parts of Salesforce. Okay. I hope everyone can understand what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Shravani, we'll wind up the section. So we'll start classes from tomorrow. By evening, we'll let you know, students, what is the classes timings from tomorrow. Okay. And thank you very much for Pavani for your valuable time. Sorry, Shravani.
Yeah, okay. Yes,
Yeah.
Manish.
Yes. Guys, how was the section?
Good, sir.
Sir,
Good, sir.
Okay. See, in a day, we are going to keep one section. We'll announce in the group. We have in it 2 groups, right? All the paid candidates are in the 2 WhatsApp groups. We'll announce the timings for all the batches. So you can join from tomorrow. As well as whoever interested, your friends, you can also ask them to join. And Shravani, thank you very much. We'll start the new, another trainer. Samira,
Yeah,
make
thank you,
another
Manish.
start the
Yes,
thing.
sir. I hope sir will be here only. Sir, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Thank you. sir.
సుప్రియ చేంజ్ ఏంటి అంటే నిన్న అగ్రిమెంట్ లో ఇన్
Manesh
కేస్
sir. Manesh sir.
కంపెనీ టెర్మినేట్
Manish,
Manesh
can
sir.
you go on mute?
యా సారీ
Yeah. Mahesh sir, are you here? Shravani ma'am, thank you for the valuable session, ma'am.
Thank you, Samira. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Mahesh sir-
guys.
Guys, just now also you can unmute yourself and tell the feedback. How was the class?
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah,
Good, ma'am.
great. Yes. Sir, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, sir. What is the name of yours in this?
Shubhajit here.
Wait.
Hello.
Yeah. Sorry, sir. I can.
Shubhajit here.
Okay. Heis Academy.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay.
How
Thank
is
you,
it
sir. Yes, sir. You can continue, sir. Guys, he's
Okay.
one more trainer for our Salesforce. Okay, he will continue the session. Just sir, continue. Sir.
Okay, I need to share my screen actually.
Okay, I'll make you as host.
So hi, this is Shubhajit. So
Yeah.
I'm professional trainer for the last 4 years, and I do have the almost 8 years experience in Salesforce. Currently, I'm going to provide the demo session for your knowledge in Salesforce and trying to build your some of the concept in this session. Okay.
So now you can share your session.
Yeah. Let me share my screen first. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So Salesforce is basically a CRM part. What is CRM? First question. CRM is basically customer relationship management. Okay. So on the base of the customer relationship management, so it's trying to build the business between the customer and the business. So this is the part of our business. So whenever we are started with the building the relationship with the customer and business, we are taking the help of the application. Okay, basically software application. Here we are taking the help of the Salesforce software application. So it's a kind of tool. Okay. So previously the CRM tool has been provided by the Oracle. Oracle was doing monopoly in this particular business. Then Salesforce comes in on the 2008 and 9. Then from the 2011 onwards, they are just trying to do the same thing, and they have already captured the market of the 60% of the overall CRM market in all over the world. Okay. So Salesforce has currently they are providing almost 25% of base jobs within the all over the world. So if 2.5 out of the 10 base jobs is provided by Salesforce during the pandemic as well. I am talking about the 2020 when the pandemic hits hard. Still they are providing so much jobs and they're creating so much jobs. Okay. So Salesforce has different path for each and every word. Okay. The person who doesn't love coding, who doesn't wants to do the coding, so he can go for the being a Salesforce administrator. Okay. You can go for the being an administrator. So being a Salesforce administrator, you have to know the particular Salesforce tool. Okay, we have the Salesforce tool. So if we have our Gmail ID, we can create our developer edition as well. I think everyone has your Gmail ID, so we can create our developer edition as free. Nothing has been charged from the Salesforce. Either you are working for a company, then company or the client will buy the license. Otherwise, you can do the practice as a free. Nothing will be charged from the Salesforce. Okay, being a Salesforce administrator. Okay, being a Salesforce administration, you have to know the business process, data management, data validation, all those things. Okay, apart from that, if you want to be a Salesforce developer, you have to know the Salesforce administration part as well. Okay, you have to know the Salesforce administration part as well. Then you can be a Salesforce developer, and you have to know Apex, Visual Post Pages, Lightning, JavaScript, Java, all those things like that. Okay, these are not too much difficult if you're not coming from the coding background. Okay, so in my training part or training session, I will take the 5 sessions on that. Okay, being a Salesforce developer on the Java. So Salesforce consultant, one of the part. Okay, Salesforce consultant is one of the parts. So that is, you want to be a Salesforce administration and the Salesforce developer, then Salesforce consultant will be there. Salesforce consultant will be there, and there is one other part is Salesforce technical architect. Salesforce technical architect. One of the part is Salesforce technical architect. So being a Salesforce consultant, you have to know the Salesforce developer and the Salesforce consultant as well. Okay, so Salesforce consultant should know the Salesforce administration and the developer. Okay, and apart from that, if you want to be a Salesforce technical architect, then you have to be a Salesforce administration developer and the consultant, and as well as the 10+ years of experience. Okay, am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm very much grateful that I'm getting a chance to provide this kind of demo. Okay. So Salesforce technical architect should have the 10+ years of experience. Apart from that, Salesforce administration, all of the parts. So if you want to be a Salesforce consultant, you have to know the Salesforce administration developer and the Salesforce consultant as well. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Am I
So you
audible?
want the requirement
Yeah.
agreement.
Hello. You are not audible. Hello. Anyone asking something?
You are audible. You are audible. Manish sir, is there anything to announce?
Okay, I'll call you 1 minute, ma'am. 1 second. Be on the line. Nothing, Samira. We can wind up the section. So thank you, dear, and everyone. Hope, see, it's very clear regarding the Salesforce. It's a 3 months courses where we are going to start from tomorrow. Okay, daily it is 2 sections. Sorry, daily only 1 section will be there for the Salesforce. Okay, so by end of the day, we will let you know what is the timing, guys. Just be in the group. And how is the training part? I mean, demo part, guys.
It's good, sir.
Good, sir.
See, don't mind. We have any 2 trainers for you. Mano, select one of the best trainer who can be with you for next 3 months. Okay. Done. So, dear, thank you very much. Thanks for your time. It's very great to have this. And trainer,
Yes.
yeah, done, buddy. So by end of the day, we'll intimate you regarding this section. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good day. Bye. Guys, now you tell me. Just you can type the name whom you want to see you as your trainer. Okay. Ma'am or sir, only give me one answer. So we'll wind up the section. Guys, everyone make it very soon. Everyone.
Madam, sir. Madam.
Chalo, done. No issues, guys. Chalo. And one more thing, whoever refer this program to your friends, Samira, post the Academy link in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And make sure that, guys, even share with your friends who are interested to join this program. Okay. Money, it is very less price, 100 rupees we are giving this 3 months program. Okay, that is not at all for money thing. Okay, you'll get a good knowledge. Salesforce, it is very important thing. I mean, like very I can tell you as an precious fruit in the market. For the freshers itself, the packages are starting from 3.5. 3.5. Okay, I hope everyone use this chance, even share with your friends, and be good in the classes. From tomorrow the classes will be start. Okay, bye guys. End the section, ma'am.
Yes, sure, sir. I'll.
Yeah.